Today we're talking about the law of attraction, and in particular, the 55 times 5 manifesting technique. Now, this manifestation method, it's not magic. It's all about training your subconscious to be in alignment with what it is you want to create, so that you can get rid of all of that resistance, get rid of that little voice inside your head that's saying, you can't do it, you don't deserve this, or whatever it is that's stopping you from creating the life that you want. And it basically helps you to take action, inspired action, which means action without all of that resistance, so that your subconscious and your conscious mind are in alignment and working together. I'm Sarah Stone Love, and if you're new to my channel, it's all about the science and psychology of manifesting. I like to take the confusion out of manifesting and give you the simplest tools that actually work. The 55 times 5 manifestation method is one of my favorite because it's so simple, it's so easy to do. The first thing we all want to do is set our intention, which is basically like the compass or the guiding direction of where we want to go in our life, so that we're not just like blowing around in the wind like a leaf falling off of a tree. Setting your intention is all about giving your life direction. You are no longer just allowing your life to happen to you. Instead, you are controlling and guiding your destiny and setting the direction with your thoughts and your actions. So try to think about what is most important to you. And if you can, set aside material things. If it's money you want to manifest, we'll get to the root of that. Why do you want to manifest that money? Is it security for your family or for yourself? Is it to make you feel safe? Or is it to have freedom and abundance in your life so that you can travel and do whatever it is you want to do? Get to the core reason of what is most important to you. And when you figure out the root of your desire, set that as your intention and write it down 55 times. Turn it into an affirmation. So you write it down 55 times for 5 days. Just the act of writing it down imprints in your subconscious, and it turns it into something real, and it puts all of this momentum of thought and energy behind it. And I always suggest that you start with something small, because if you start with something really big that you want to manifest in your life, a lot of times there's a lot of resistance in there. There's beliefs or assumptions in your subconscious from your childhood that will actually block and counter manifest those things from happening. So choose one thing and start with something small, something that you don't have a lot of resistance about, so that you can start building this belief and this momentum and realize that it is possible for you. Manifesting is really all just about shifting your mindset and shifting your perception so that you can see that things are possible for you in your life. The law of attraction is possible for you because whether you realize it or not, you are already manifesting every second of every day. You are repelling and attracting energy based on your emotions, based on how you're feeling and what you're thinking about. So using the 55 times 5 method, it just gets you to start thinking more about your intention and thinking about what it is you want to attract into your life. There's a lot of different manifestation methods out there, and at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter which method you use. It's more about the energy you put behind it. So you just need to find one that resonates with you. I'm Sarah Stone Love. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, like it, share it, and join me every Tuesday and Thursday where I'll be sharing more tips on manifesting.